In this tutorial, I will show you how to create cut and paste activity sheet using your free accounts, so be sure to watch till the end. So I like using ChatGPT for this kind of activity sheets. So go to your ChatGPT account, click on create an image, and add your prompt. If you want the prompt I use here, comment down prompt. Also, I just want to emphasize, even if the same prompt is used, it will not produce identical images. AI image generation includes randomness, so results vary each time. Output or the image can also differ depending on the model version, account settings, and how the system interprets the prompt. This is why the final images may look similar in concept, but not exactly the same in style or detail, okay? So click on this button and wait for a bit. And there you go. So if you want another design, you can say, give me another black and white design. And there you go. Don't forget to download your generated images. Then go back to Canva and upload the images you generated. Also, I did some images earlier, so if any one of you wants this, comment down images and I'll drop the link below. Then once you're done and satisfied with your design and you want to print this, go to share button, click on download, click on PDF print, and download it. If you want to share your design, especially for those who want to sell digital products, click on the share button, click on template link, and copy the link. But if you are using a free Canva account, you can't use this feature. But I have a tutorial where I break down step by step on how you can get a template link even if you're on a free Canva account. So comment down Canva tutorial if you want the link. So there you go. I hope this helps. Don't forget to follow my page for more. See you in my next video. Bye!